Aimol Tribe Union Manipur rejects the inclusion of Aimol Tribe in the affiliation list of Naga Tribe issue on April 17 by NSC and IM. BJP Manipur Pradesh resolved to instruct the government to pass an ILP bill and implement 7-pay commission. And Health Minister L. Jayantakumar says the concerned department has no issue to work order for construction of Imphal East District Hospital. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari with the top stories and the latest news at this hour. First up, Aimol Tribe Union Manipur has rejected the inclusion of Aimol Tribe in the affiliation list of Naga Tribe, which was issued at Dimapur on April 17 by NSC and IM GPRN Vice President's Office. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, President Aimol Tribe Union Manipur, RT Ekhel Aimol, stated that Aimol Tribe was included into the list without any formal notification or consent of the community. He maintained that such is an act of forced assimilation of its own vested interest, which is not acceptable to the Aimol community.
UG na affiliate to haibase illegal putning masigi law of the land siga chanade aduna masi koi yabong amde masi completely koi reject away masigi Aimol tribe ki ayabu yaudana asumai toga abase laibak thibane habase thamjani.
The union also drew the attention of government to intervene into the issue, stating that the said outfit has been terrorizing the tribe for a long time. RT Ekhel also appealed to stop the annual collection of Naga Army ration money by Naga Army Finance Department forcefully from the villages at the Chingnung Hut gate using arm.
Broad daylight ajuk pungni pantapa matam de Chingnung Hut ki gate ta uniform galona na sophisticated AK ahum paiduna makoina Aimol gi khunsing da par house par anam gi ona yumamade chani khaiba ase ekoi pibang amoi asigumba 3 ton mayam ase government na meeting changbiu hai.
BJP Manipur Pradesh resolved that the party will remain committed to ensure that the employees of the state government receive the benefit of 7th-pay commission after due consideration of the financial amplification of the state exchequer, and also instruct the government to pass an ILP bill in the upcoming assembly session at its first state executive committee meeting at Sangai Hall of Hotel Imphal today. The party also appreciated the cabinet decision of a central government to give death penalty to rapists of children and 4 months timeline to complete investigation and trial in all rape cases. Notice in charge Ajay Jamal and National General Secretary Ram Madhav also attended the executive meeting. Speaking to media person at BJP office in Nithya Park Chutek, President of BJP Manipur Pradesh KSH Bhavananda said that the meeting took many resolutions for the betterment of the society. He said the meeting resolved to instruct the government on economic resurgence and transformation in Manipur, including implementation of economic and social transformation model, ensuring sustainable food, employment and income security in both the hills and the valley regions of the state, adoption and implementation of all central sponsored schemes and programs. The President also stated that the party also took 12 political resolutions to discharge censor political affairs, to strengthen the government and to gain public trust in the long run.
Maruina state executive to khudingi akoi political amasung economic resolution khar khar lokje ado handaksu akoi gi political resolution tramanga the economic resolution da trama thoi lokjere masi state specific oiba resolution ngaktani sile maru oiba resolution mayam ama akoina handak lauraga tungda akoi karmai toroga sarkar sina koi state sibu govern do da hena phajana mai pak na ba madugi point mayam na akoina ngasi lokhat cheriba akoi resolution singasi.
Health Minister L. Jayantakumar stated that the concerned department has not yet issued a work order for construction of Imphal East District Hospital at Kiamgai. However, the ground development work at the Acquare site is in progress. He was speaking at distribution of 6 months honorarium to the Fair Price Shop Essence of Kishamthong constituency for the month of April to September 2017 at his quarter in Babupara today. Jayantakumar expressed disappointment that Kundrakpam MLA is supporting the public agitation. He maintained that he is ready to hold dialogue to bring an amicable solution to the issue of construction of a district hospital. The minister assured that the construction of Imphal East District Hospital will be carried out without partiality and just for the benefit of the general public. Speaking on distribution of honorarium, he appealed all the Fair Price Shop Essence to distribute PDS items on time.
Pressure piraga, the politically instigate of the engine of Yauraga, Mayra Reli, Hek Chalhanba, the Kalada, Dutoni, Haiba, Afamakli Tabunate, Adisopudi Ainan Hijay, Amurak Anila Navalakani, and Hibira Madumata Aijay, Lakide, Adimatunta, the Moya Hoji. Unaba na have a second among Unagatagan have a certain terms in the condition, nothing Matungina Unaba, and have the Marigitari, I should government department, Isham Marigitari, Tokanam Lay had an Imadumadum, how you should them, but over the Maduda Yam amicable solution, Purupiaba, Mong the Nena town, Tana, Pungatna, Yam Tapna, Wari, Shanabia, Makli Potama, Maduda healthcare sector, in public, you in a developed Honsin, I was a Masia, Apomakli says any.
Socialist Democratic Party of India (SDPI) Manipur State organized a protest rally against the recent rape cases in the nation, including the most recent ones in the Kathua district, Jammu and Kashmir, and in Unnao district, Uttar Pradesh. Various placards were used at the rally that was marched from Lilong Haino Makong to Lilong Bazar. A public meeting was also held at Lilong Bazar after the rally. Speaking on the occasion, General Secretary of SDPI Manipur State, Mohammad Riyaz Uddin, stated that it is high time to execute severe disciplinary action against such immoral individuals who are perpetrating the crimes. He urged experts, justices and high legal officials to implement laws and give befitting punishment to the accused at the earliest. A plastic-type Chinese hand grenade was found at the gate of one Kumantem Tomba, 50 years, son of late K.H. Yaiskul from Haurebi Makhalaikai under Wangoi police station early this morning. A team of state bomb disposal team has disposed a bomb at Haurebi Lokon around 10 this morning. Nupi Yaifa Tausil Lup and members of the locality staged a sit-in condemning the incident at the office of the organization. Speaking to media person, participants at the sit-in condemned such act of terror causing panic to the inhabitants of the residential area and further urged those concerned to repeat such act in the future. It may be mentioned that Kumantem Tomba is a scientist at Manipur Pollution Control Board and also the president of a young sporting union, Haurebi Makhalaikai.
Asiguma pomje, asiguma tabakje kanana, karai degi tauribano, kanano karino haibado, atuwa matamda sak takpiyo. Imong manung sida, degi yumma sida, lekai sida siguma tabak tawase koi. Nungaiti yamna koirangi, yamna samna hingjaba lekai ni siguma tabakse amukta su taurakti, tausu tawhite. Kari maram gino haibado, maramdu wari sana bapami, matung amona tawbida ba, amona su tawbigano, tawbida ba su haijari. Koi bazada awaba piba, lekai da awaba piba. Angang nubi mayamama awaba piba nungaitaba koisi amukta di tawdaba ni nang asidi yamna su nungaitaba kijaba nungaitaba msu po ek asiguma pomje asiguma thabakje kanana karai.
President of Shiv Sena Manipur State Unit M. Tombi strongly condemned the shifting of Imphal East District Hospital from Sagolmang. He said that the party will raise the issue to the Parliament of India if the need arises. He was speaking at a press meet at his Babupara office today. M. Tombi said Shiv Sena has conducted a sport inquiry to find out the reason behind shifting the construction site of district hospital from Kundrakpum constituency. He said Kundrakpum constituency and its surrounding has poor medical facility. Tombi expressed disappointment at the government decision and stated that Sagolmang is a suitable location of the hospital. Speaking on the issue of land dispute in respect to a land owner, R.K. Lakishana, he said presently there is no land dispute at Sagolmang for the hospital construction. Tombi mentioned that R.K. Lakishana has submitted an application to Chief Secretary to donate the piece of land which the government is yet to pay compensation.
Impal iski Kundrakpum kendradagi district hospital sabagi matangda rajniti oiba lawtunoraga karigumba mafam asidagi hongdana mafam amada sagiba karigumba masigi port asina warib lorko tarbadi Shiv Sena masi parliament bawo yogna koi masi face tawragani loinana haiba hospital se hongbigano lamdam adugi praja singi oiba adugumba sentiment sokko thabak tawigano miyamgi human rights कोई सेव तौबियो सरकार से मिगी पुंसिंगांग नब लंथुंगांग नब लेबने मसीदगी मिसी मिना मयाम थोरबो तारी मदु दायित्व स्टेट गवर्नमेंट से पुगदम.
Amidst the launching of a Chief Minister's go-to-village mission, ideological differences arise among representatives of Gram Panchayat in different villages. Manipur Panchayati Raj Government Employees Association alleged that representatives of Khongman Gram Panchayat are framing the Panchayat Secretary of Khongman Gram Panchayat as a scapegoat after dispute arose among themselves. Speaking to media person at the press meet at Porompad SIRD complex, Vice President of Manipur Panchayati Raj Government Employees Association Konsam Ananda termed it unfortunate that UP Pradhan along with 7 other members accused the Panchayat Secretary Sanasam Maichon of being irresponsible on media. He maintained that blaming the Panchayat Secretary for the differences among themselves is a conduct to show all the Panchayat Secretaries in a bad light. On the other hand, Panchayat Secretary Sanasam Maichon stated that the public meeting was notified to the members of the Panchayat following an order from the BDO. She said that it was early resolved that the Panchayat meetings will be held at the residence of the Pradhan due to the absence of a Panchayat Ghar. However, the UP Pradhan and 7 other members refused to comply. Maichon said the UP Pradhan and the 7 members, instead of inquiring about the meeting at Ketrigao block, inquire at Kairao block and immediately called on her resignation the next day due to the misguided information.
Common Gram Panchayat ki elected members in Marakta Yanata Bakra Lairaga Panchayat Secretary Oribi S. Machon Debibu local media ki thongda Mubeki Jet Chok Power Pum Kaya Pungtok Perpachi Yana Labak Tibanin Loje on Manipur Panchayat Secretary Singpu Singna Banana Hajaning
Matang Paikat Kadaba program Singi Sang Moi Tare Siju and Loina Sinare notice La Hobanga Moy Sigi Mapamze Aquista Pam Dragati Haide Eba Noi Yana Bama Puro on Noina Yana Bam Pam do the Ayadum Yauge Hibamatam Sida Yada than a lahogre, SARS minor lahogre hire. Adu de Hayengse, compromise tong naba, hide in a pause pire, swam the naketrical blocker, SARSiga, Ngai Ragalay, Moilatre, Nena, Adagi Pon Taura Ami Angonda. Is here in a meeting we high Sibona hire a ponze. That correct, Dora Banona, Hanzel Hanzanta was Amata Piractre. Sar video na meeting, go you coram de and Nasas Taure. Sar video na coram de Hibadi, blow one and a sambana.
Manipur State Legal Service Authority along with Thobal District Legal Service Authority under the aegis of National Legal Service Authority dissolved 36 cases out of 52 in a Lok Adalak session held at Thobal District Court today. During the session, the 2 bench led by Thobal District and Session Judge Thobal Salam Imocha and Judge of District Family Court Thobal Beni Ningom took up a total number of 52 cases wherein 36 cases were settled. Senior Citizen Forum Manipur organized a free health camp at Pettigrew Junior High School, Singjamai Mathak, Thokchom Laikai today. Medicines, ortho, ENT and psychiatry doctors checked up a large number of people at the locality at the camp. Sorry for the inconvenience. Floral tributes were offered to freedom fighters of the state who sacrificed their lives in the freedom movement against the British imperialist at Madan Mohan Mandap in Singjamai, Oinam, Thingil as a part of the first Anglo-Manipuri War 1891 Commemoration Month 2018 organized by Justice Committee for Anglo-Manipuri War 1891 Martyrs and Victims of Kangleipak, Manipur today. Over 1,000 soldiers of R.K. Kalashana Sagol Hanjaba, R.K. Sananganba Lauran Purel, Yengkhoiba Poila, Longjomba Poila and Lai Maton were honored at the event organized by R.K. Kalashana R.K. Sananganba Memorial Committee. Family members of prominent soldiers who fought at Lai Maton War Field were also honored with gifts on the occasion. Speaking at the event, former Dean of Human and Environmental Science, Manipur University, W. Navakumar said, "It is not enough to just honor the Khongjom War site to commemorate Anglo-Manipuri War 1891. He said, the battle was fought at different war fields, including Lai Maton, and many unsung soldiers sacrificed their lives in the battle. Nabal Kumar said it is high time to rewrite the history after in-depth research of Anglo-Manipuri War 1891. He lauded the Justice Committee for their initiative. Chairman of the Justice Committee, H. Ibotombi Kuman, and President of Aikoigi Club, Oinam Biren, were among those present on the occasion.
Ningkha tambagi lanpham si khongjom gi sidamang ningsang naga atai lanpham jing si ining ningsang dadana mapung ipha pha da bagi wakhalon ama leirak pasi anoba akoi gi puwari gi lamda thijaliba akhangai singna thijala kanda di punamak se mapung phana pangthoba matam da di akoi mapum oiba mideng ama khak tholakani habagi wakhalon ru da tholak pani puwari haiba matam da puwari si akoi na continuously ariap akham leitana edit tawagi matang amakak lei itihas ai matam amada phangamba masa kharadu da yumpam orga iba itihas to mapung pharak taba aduna ano research ki thabak la kanda historiography aduna itihas si semdok semjin khara tawagi mathau ama tarakpa madugi matang dunia na ning khaijani.
Chief Minister Nongthomam Biren, Governor Nachmai Habdullah and Works Minister Thongam Biswajit in separate press releases have greeted the people of Manipur on the occasion of Khongjom Day 2018. They expressed hope to renew the pledge to accumulate strength and courage as one to counter any forces that dare to disintegrate the nation and the state in particular. The press releases further urged the people to dedicate themselves to usher peace and harmony in the state and to defend the sovereignty of the country. All Community Development Organization More Akodom has distributed 1 rice bag each to the victims of the 8 houses which were completely destroyed in a fire at Indo-Myanmar Friendship Gate No. 2 on April 19. Speaking to media person, General Secretary of All Community Development Organization More, R.K. Lokendro, stated that the rice bags were donated from the organization's fund with the hope of providing minimal assistance to the family victims who lost everything in the fire.
yamna laibuk thiba thodok ama yum mai sakpagi thodokda awaba taraba family singda ekodom gi maike degi akhoi ngamjaba akhoi lejaba pandagi akhoi na mayam lupa cheng oina cheng bek amam family mayam da akhoi ngamjaba ekodom gi site gi mateng pan.
Wife of Chief Minister Nongthomam Biren, Nongthombam Ombi Hiaino, inaugurated Office of Koirangai Bazaar Nupi Marup and Koirangai Welfare Youth Club at Koirangai Bazaar today. Speaking on the occasion, Hiaino said that the members and the volunteers of both the offices will make a positive use of the facility. She said that other essential public facilities like public lavatory system, etc. will also be constructed after holding discussion with the club members. Wife of Minister YAS Lepau Haukip, Vungningning Gante, senior citizens and Adyashak of Imphal East P. Bimola were among those present at the event. Narem Birahari College Students Union and Biramangol College Students Union in separate press releases condemned the appointment of an outsider as Chief Secretary of Manipur. The Students Union stated that they will support any movement of Assam, Desam and AIMS in this regard. Deputy Commissioner of Bishnupur District IAS Pawan Yadav received the Prime Minister's Awards for Excellence in Public Administration from the Prime Minister Narendra Modi at Vigyan Bhavan, Delhi yesterday. The district backed the award in the group Northeast and Hill States for excellence in implementing promoting digital payments. There were 999 applications were received from organization of central, state government and districts, out of which 198 applications were from aspirational district for the different categories under Prime Minister's Award for Excellence in Public Administration. The award was presented on Civil Services Day 2018 function organized by Department of Administrative Reforms and Public Grievances, Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions. A painting competition for students of class 1 to 7 was held in relation with the upcoming National Panchayat Day celebration on April 24th under Chief Minister's Go to Village mission at Wangkai Lomanbi Ima Panthoibi Community Hall, Basikong today. The painting competition on the theme Sabka Saath, Sabka Gaon, Sabka Vikas was jointly organized by Pradhan of Basikong Gram Panchayat and Binolata, ward members of the Panchayat and various other officials. More than 80 students from the Panchayat participated at the painting competition.
Chief Minister gi khongong chatlo go to village gi kholo gi makhada lakiba April gi tang punga marida National Panchayat Day celebration pangthok sabasigi pangthok kadabasigi mangoina na ngasi Basikong Gram Panchayat ki manung dalaiba chhatra sing Sabka Saath, Sabka Gaon, Sabka Vikas ki thingi makhada ngasi painting competition ama pangthok sabani Chief Minister gi
Prizes were distributed to winners of the Manipur Talent Search Examination 2017-18 held on January 2nd at the Kwakaithel Mayai Community Hall today. The examination was organized by Angradai's Humanitarian Institute of Kwakaithel Mayai for students from class 5 to class 10 in maths, science and English subjects. The institute encouraged the winners with case prizes and certificates. General Secretary of All India Mahila Congress Committee I. Bishamitra Gogoi visited Thawal in connection with the next Lok Sabha election yesterday. District Mahila Congress welcomed Bishamitra Gogoi at Thawal District Congress Bhavan at the warm reception ceremony. Later, a public meeting was also held with the leaders of level Mahila Congress and state level Mahila Congress. Speaker Yumnam Khemchan has inaugurated the gallery of Ibudhau Luang Pokpa Model Club Singjamai today. Speaking on the occasion, the speaker said interior of Imphal has large number of potential sportspersons. However, there is a lack of playgrounds. He lauded the members of the clubs for their initiative. Members of Model Club and people of the constituency attended the event. N. Khel Chandra Singh Charitable Trust Uripok organized the 3rd Pandit N. Khel Chandra Memorial Lighting Thanghai competition at Uripok Atom Laikai Community Hall today. Speaking to media person, advisor and board member of the trust C.H. Hemchandra expressed that the competition is an initiative to preserve the art of Thangka and ideology of Pandit Khel Chandra. He stated that there are more than female competitors than male this year. Altogether, 90 participants, including 46 female, took part in the competition.
तौजरीबा पोट असिगी पांदमदी अखोगी सिथरुरबा लेबा असिदा अखोगी लंदम असिगी मीगा सागोनबा पृथ्वीदा सक्ताकलेबा पोट असि अमुहना योखटनबा अमदी मसिदा थवा यावनबा मदुगी पांदमदा जंजमनी असुंबा पोट असि लेरगा हक्सांगसि याम लाइना मसासि ngakchaba taru tarana तसेंगना कन्ना अमदी खिंगना लेबदा अचौबमति अमा ओइगनेना खली.
Russia will host the 21st FIFA World Cup, the most coveted football championship in the world, from June 14 up to July 15 this year, following the decision of FIFA in December of 2010. Altogether, 64 matches, 48 league matches in the group stage, 8 knockout matches in the round of 16, 4 quarter-final matches, 2 semi-final for the third place, and the final match will be played in the 12 stadiums across the country. 32 teams divided into 8 groups will compete against each other in various league matches of the championship. Russia, Saudi Arabia, Egypt and Uruguay are listed under Group A. Portugal, Spain, Morocco and Iran under Group B. France, Australia, Peru and Denmark in Group C. Argentina, Iceland, Croatia and Nigeria under Group D. Brazil, Switzerland, Costa Rica and Serbia in Group E. Germany, Mexico, Sweden and South Korea under Group F, Belgium, Panama, Tunisia and England in Group G, while Poland, Senegal, Colombia and Japan in Group H. The first match of the championship will be held at Luzhniki Stadium, Moscow, between host team Russia and Saudi Arabia on June 14. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Imol Tribe Union Manipur rejects the inclusion of Imol Tribe in the affiliation list of Naga Tribe issued on April 17 by NSC and IM. BJP Manipur Pradesh resolved to construct the government to pass an ILP bill and implement 7th Pay Commission. And Health Minister L. Jayantakumar says the concerned department has not issued the work order for construction of Imphal East District Hospital.